Learning management solutions are designed to reduce the load of the school administrators and teachers. In order to achieve the same, you have to input the correct information regarding classes and subjects. Let us begin by adding subjects to the classes. Log into Tabschool using your username and password. Once you are inside the Institute dashboard, navigate the left sidebar and click on Classes. A Classes page will appear. You will be able to see the list of existing classes. If you are new, you can begin by clicking Add Class button on the right. Once you are inside, you can create classes. First, you need to add subjects. On the right, you will see an option to add subjects. You can add single or multiple subjects. Click on Save once you are done. You have now successfully added subjects. Isn't that easy?